everyone, and welcome to Sunrise Conversations. And in today's video, I'll be talking to you guys about the Singer MX60 sewing machine. So I wanted to do this video for any new beginner sewers that are trying to find a machine to have at home, and they're looking at different options and have come across this one and just want to know a little bit more about it. So let's get into it. So this machine, when you take it out of the box, you have the machine itself, and you also have the pedal that comes with it. So let me show you here. So this pedal here, it looks like that, and the cable that's attached to it comes with these two here. So this one here, clearly it will go into the wall to have the power, and then this here goes into the machine itself. It would come here on the side, and on the side here as well, it will have the power button to turn on and off. So besides the pedal, let's get into the machine itself. So the machine itself, as you see, has a few things in the front and on the top. So let's look at the dials first. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So this one here is the manual dial. So this will help you move your needle up and down, if you see on your left. So just up and down. Also, if you see here on the top of the machine, it helps you move this metal piece here. So our next dial is the stitch dial here. So here you have your basic stitches of straight stitches, different zigzags, and it has here the stitches to make a buttonhole. And then this dial is your thread tension. So this makes sure that your thread is not too loose on whichever project you're doing. So just make sure that if you're doing a project, you try to make sure you know which stitch you're using and what's the best tension to have your stitch at. So the best one to kind of keep it at, as far as this machine tells you, is 4 would be the standard tension to have it at. So let's look here on the top of the machine. So here we have this metal hardware here. That is where your bobbin would be, and you would use this to put more thread on your bobbin if you need to put more. So for this one, you would just put your bobbin on, push it to the right, and that tells your machine that you're going to be threading your bobbin. And once you're done, you push it back and you're good to go. And then here on the back, we have 2 spots to put some spools that you're trying to use. And then in order to thread your machine, you have to go through this first piece here. So you got to go 1, 2, you got to go down 3, come up around 4, and 5. You will put your thread through this metal hard piece here, and then come back down, and then thread your thread through your needle down here. And then for the needle area itself, we have a lever right here. So this would help you bring your presser foot up and down. And then, like I said, this here is your presser foot. Then you have your needle, and then this metal hardware here will help you put your needle in place in case if you need to change it. And then here we have the needle plate itself, and it has some measuring lines here if you're trying to follow along with for seam allowance. And then before I continue to down here, this lever here is the reverse lever, which will allow you to go over any certain stitches in your project to make sure they are secure. So also, one more thing, this does come with a handle here on top itself if you need to move your machine anywhere, just in case. All right, so let's go down here to the front. So this piece here does come off, and this is where you would have storage space. So let's go ahead and take this piece off here. So it's here, you see there is a storage space. So when you open it, so the machine did come with a few bobbins itself, so you don't have to worry about getting any bobbins. And then it came with these two items here. So we have the buttonhole, this will help you make it. And then here we have a brush, and on the other side it has a little seam ripper if you need it. And it also came with a zipper foot press here. And it also came with another piece here, if I'm able to take it out for you guys. Give me one moment. Let's see. Because this piece does come with the machine itself, and it helps you to unscrew the needle plate or any other pieces that you might need to unscrew. Alright, so let's move on to the next thing. So in this space here, this is where our bobbin would be. So let me go ahead and take this off and show everyone. So here, that would be our bobbin. So once you've threaded it, you will put it in, and you will thread it through here and to that front piece there where it's dangling out. So when you put this piece back in your machine, you will hear a click, and that means it's in place and you're ready to go. So let's go ahead and put that in. There we go. Once it's in, you close this and you're ready to go. And then you would put your storage piece back in, and again, you would be ready to go to start working on your project. And you can also keep the storage space off in case if you need to sew, let's say, a sleeve for a shirt or a sleeves for your pants, or you're hemming something and you just need that space not to be so wide. So this is the MX60 Singer sewing machine. I hope this video helped in any way. If you were considering to get this sewing machine, if you want me to be more detailed with this machine, or you want me to show a more close-up video of it, let me know and I can go ahead and I can do that. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. And if I have any advanced sewers here and you would like to give some advice to any new beginners, please go ahead and do. I am happy to read those comments as well, because I am a beginner myself. And also, for my advanced sewing friends, let me know what sewing machine you have and what project you're working on. And yeah, so I hope this helped. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.